All right, this is the number one question. No surprise. Neil, where are we on the fourth turning playbook? With markets returning to highs, there seems to be a big divergence with what the social mood and economic data are telling us. Thanks.
Well, the market data are notoriously short term. I think that you look at the economic data. That's what I would say.
Yeah.
The economic data are still just horrible. In fact, the rate of unemployment, the rate of GDP decline even exceeds anything we saw during the Great Depression. We're gonna be in this hole for a long time in terms of our GDP gap in climbing out of it, probably through the early 2020s. So this is a long haul, and I think what that means is that's going to have repercussions on our political system, and ultimately, fourth turning is a political process. And I think in some ways our system is near the breaking point. There was a great survey out of Wall Street Journal, NBC, just a couple of days ago, and they basically said that 80% of Americans agreed with the statement that America is out of control. Only something like 12% denied that, and maybe 2% say a little of both. And I think that's the feelings of most people today. Institutions are not in control, political leaders are not in control. And remember, one essential dynamic that I talked about in the fourth turning was how you have the senior generations of leaders, having had no experience of crisis, no experience with actually exercising authority and building and maintaining strong institutions, are going to be completely at sea. And eventually what you need is an entirely almost end run by a new group or a new movement or just one party simply to take control and be energized by a younger generation moving in. And I still see that happening early in this next decade.